Welcome to Python. Python is a popular computer programming language. It is known for being easy to read and learn. Many people around the world use Python. It is used for websites, data science, and more. Python is free to use and available on many devices. You can use it on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Are you ready to start coding? Let's learn the basics of Python. Python is like a Swiss Army knife for programmers. You can use it for almost anything. Want to build a website? Python can help. It powers popular websites like Instagram and Spotify. Interested in analyzing data? Python is your friend. It's a favorite tool for scientists and analysts. Love automation? Python is here to help. Automate boring tasks and save time. With Python, the possibilities are endless. Let's start with the basics. Think of Python as a way to talk to your computer. You give it instructions and it follows them. Variables are like containers for storing information. You can give them names like name or age. Data types tell Python what kind of information a variable holds. Is it a number, text, or something else? Operators let you perform actions on data. You can add, subtract, compare, and much more. Let's write your first Python program. Open a text editor and type the following Python print hello world. Save the file as hello.py. Now open your terminal and run the program using python hello.py. Congratulations. You just wrote and executed your first Python program. This is just the beginning. There's a whole world of Python to explore.